Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone. Today in this video we're going to talk about an English proverb, let's say, it's a saying, it's a kind of expression, because you can understand the meaning through the words. But anyway, this is classed as a proverb. I don't know, whatever. And what is that? That is time is money. Time is money. Okay, it is very easy to understand. Some of the idioms are really difficult to get what is behind that, what they want to say when using it. But I think this one is really simple. It is clear. We know time is time and money is money. They are not the same thing. But we put them together and put it in one sentence, and it's like it works. This is a linking verb. So over here it's like acts as a equal sign. Says time equals money and money equals time. It wants to say that the value of time equals to the value of money. So what do you know as money? That is the same thing over here. So if that is a lot, then this is also a lot. So that is used, that is said to people who mainly are a bit lazy, delaying in doing things, postponing doing things, procrastinating. So this is a kind of line that the advisor, okay, if I am advising someone, I would use it for one who is not using his or her time to its best. They can do something better maybe. So then I say, time is money, you're wasting your time on something. Or I can see that they're doing nothing. So this is to advise people to go back to their work, to do what they are passionate about, to do what they like, to do something that is productive, to do something. Because when they are wasting their time, you might not really feel that. But when they waste their money, they know what is going on. So we put them together, we put it in this saying, and we ask them, and we kind of draw their attention to the fact that the way they are doing, the thing that they're doing with their time is exactly like putting their money in bin, okay, in a bin. So then that can give them a better picture maybe. So that's why we use this. And this is an old saying in English. Prior to this is being used as time is precious. That means the same thing, and I think you have the same thing maybe in your language. There should be similar things, the same or similar things in other languages. What is yours? How do you tell people to take care of their time and not let it go and use it up to its best capacity, to its best possible way? So there should be something like that in your language. Would you please comment it below this video? That would be great if you do so. Now let's look at these examples. Before the examples, let me tell you that the first records of this saying in English, of course there are some records of Greek, which goes before Christ, but the first records of this one in English is about the year 1572, and from that time this has been used and is still in use. Of course, in the first place it's been used as time is precious, but then it changes to time is money, and time is precious is still used. Sometimes you might you might see that, but time is money is now used more often, much more often, and some people even don't know that there is another way of saying that, because that is not that much common. Okay, so now let's look at the examples. First sentence says, I can't stay home and wait any longer. Time is money, you know. So person is wasting his time waiting at home and feels that he needs to do something. He is letting his time go, and just adds this at the end of the sentence to say that he is wasting his time, and that time is valuable. When it says time is money, doesn't mean that my bank account is, you know, is leaking. It means time is going, and that is valuable. That is something valuable that is going out. And over here, I can't afford to spend a lot of time standing here talking. Time is money. So the person in the sentence, the person saying this, is waiting, standing somewhere, talking to someone, and maybe it gets a bit long, and the person feels that he or she is wasting his time in that place, just letting the time go, talking about something that maybe can't be, it's not useful, and feels that can do something better, feels that he or she can be busy with something other than this, which could be more beneficial to this person. Okay, and now let's look at this one. His words and manner carried the crisp transness of a busy man whose time is money. Okay, in here the writer of the sentence, the speaker of the sentence, is talking about a third person, a man whose words, the way he speaks, and whose manner, the way he acts, carried the crisp transness. Transness means abrupt, okay, very short. When you know, some people, when you talk to them, they answer you very quickly and very short, you know, in short words, very let's say short or very abrupt, very without much details, just tells you, let's say, no or yes, and moves on to other things, and doesn't give details, doesn't explain a lot, just shows that that person is busy or is thinking of something else, is doing something more valuable. So that manner, the word manner, that shows that kind of attitude, kind of mindset. You can feel this. So this person, the person writing the sentence, has come across a person like this, and is feeling that this person is busy and his time is valuable because of his answers, because of the way he reacts to others when replies to them. Okay, so this is it. I think this was a new word, maybe not. Anyway, I hope you've learned something from this, either the examples or the topic. Anyway, if you've got something for me, would you please comment it below this video, any questions, or if you've got the same thing in your language, would you please comment it below the video so that we can learn from you. I can learn from you and learn what that is, what the same thing is in your language, whatever your language is. That would be great. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.